slime and I bang it up. We banging a window. It's red and we pour it up. My diamonds, they glowing up. She waiting, she wanna fuck. Be patient, I'm counting up.
Alright, what is up guys? iReview back here once again, and today we're going to be taking a quick little look at these Jordan 11s. I think the colorway is called 7210. It'll be in the title regardless. But yeah, these are from YesKicks. I know it's been a while. I actually had COVID last week, so well, for like almost 2 weeks damn near I had symptoms and stuff, so that's why I haven't been getting these videos out. But nonetheless, we're here, we're back, so let's get to it. These are from YesKicks, like I said. These took about a week to get here. Double box, bubble wrapped as always. If you're new to the channel and you do like what you see in the video, feel free to subscribe, drop a like on the video, turn on notifications, and follow your boy on Instagram at iReview.tv. And check out some other videos, man. If you like what you see, support the channel. So with that being said and out of the way, let's get right into it. Like I said, this is a website information, website, email, WeChat. If you use the code iReview on your first purchase per account, you can save yourself $15. So keep that in mind. Just a little disclaimer, I don't condone buying any of this stuff. You guys do what you want with your money, like I do with mine, like I always say. So yeah, man, let's get right into it. Sorry if I'm a bit shaky. It's been a while since I've recorded or held the camera for recording, so yeah, bear with me. Put the shoes to the side. This is what the box looks like. A little banged up here and there, but I mean, nothing crazy. You can see kind of that. Is that dust? Yeah, so they've been with me for, you know, 2 weeks now. Because I was waiting for the other pair that I got. It shipped separate. I wanted to do both reviews on the same day, but they're not going to be uploaded in the same day, obviously. So yeah, size information, whatnot. Air Jordan 11 retro low, black, gym red, white sail. And these are size 10. It's just a retail, blah blah blah. You guys can see a tag, nothing else all over the box. Opening it up, you get nothing crazy in here, just the paper, and that's that. Like, nothing else. No key tags. These ones did not come with a StockX tag, nothing like that. Just the shoes, and that's it. So here are the shoes themselves here. They did come super clean, I'll give them that. These are not for myself. So yeah, you can really see all the metallic flake all on the midsole there, or the upper of the shoe, sorry. Yeah, that looks dope. Overall, the shoe's really clean. Jordan's where it's supposed to be with the tag. It says Air Jordan. Got the leather here as well. Nice buttery elephant textured leather on the upper there. Got the black rope laces. Nothing on the egglets, just the way it is. You know, not too much to say about these. You got the carbon fiber there, and it is not just printed, it's actually in there. Not too sloppy on the glue, which is nice to see. Midsole has a nice squish to it as well. Bottom of the shoe, y'all can check that out. So that looks solid. And just overall, these shoes are clean, man. Get this out of the way on this shoe at least. So these are the shoe trees. Regular cardboard Jordan shoe tree. Nothing new. Got the red Jumpman in there, size tag and information. I don't know if there's anything under the tongue. Yeah, so you can kind of see the regular Jordan stuff that would be on 11s, I believe. Yeah, these are the lows. I believe there's a 7210 highs. I don't know if these have been officially released yet or they're coming. So I don't really keep up with sneaker releases super heavy anymore. I just kind of get what I like, get what I want to show you guys, get what I think that you might want to see on the channel, and then go from there. So back of the shoe, you got the little Jumpman there, and then the 2-3. Those are not just printed, they're actually little logos that are placed on there, so it's nice to see that. But yeah, man, no stitching errors nowhere. Just overall really clean. So that's the right shoe. Left shoe, same deal, of course. You see the mids or the outsole is actually kind of iced. It's like a cloudy iced you know, material. But yeah, you can see leather, super plush, nice and buttery. Back of the shoe on here, same thing, man. Out the road, you get a little size sticker on this one. I don't know if the other one ripped off or whatever. Size tag again. So yeah, that's that. You can really see the flaking though. It's super heavy on the upper of the shoe where it's that patent leather. Again, carbon fiber. Jumpman on the clear sole. So yeah, overall super clean, no complaints whatsoever with these ones. My dog's playing in the background. But yeah, man, I think I'm gonna end it here. I don't really know, there's not too much else to say about these. You know, they came clean, no complaints whatsoever. You know, I keep it real with you guys all the time. If I find defects or anything I don't like that you guys should be aware of, I point it out as always, so super transparent. If you guys do see anything wrong with them, DM me on Instagram, let me know if I missed anything. With that being said, if you're new to the channel, show the channel some love. I'm gonna let y'all go. Enjoy the rest of your day, night, morning, whatever time you're watching this video. This video is just for educational purposes, like I said. And with that out of the way, guys, enjoy the rest of your day, and I'll catch y'all in the next video. Peace.